Linux Mint 21 is a long-term support release which will be supported until 2027. It comes with updated software and brings refinements and many new features to make your desktop even more comfortable to use. This new version of Linux Mint contains many improvements. Bluetooth. In Linux Mint 21, Blueman replaces Blueberry. Just like Blueberry, Blueman is desktop agnostic and integrates well in all environments. Blueberry depended on GNOME Bluetooth, which was developed exclusively for GNOME. In contrast, Blueman relies on the standard BlueS stack which works everywhere and can even be used or queried from the command line. Thumbnailers. The lack of thumbnails for some common file types was identified as a usability issue. To address it, a new Zap project called Zap Thumbnailers was started and is now featured in Linux Mint 21. The project brings support for the following MIME types: App Image, EPUB, MP3, Album Cover, RAW Pictures, most formats, WEP, Sticky Notes. The Sticky Notes application now has the ability to duplicate notes. When Sticky Notes is told to pick different colors for newly created notes, it no longer picks them randomly, but cycles through the color set to maximize the probability of each note having a different color. WEP support was added to Xviewer and Thumbnailers. Directory browsing was improved in Xviewer. Continuously pressing the arrow keys results in a smooth slideshow where enough time is given for each picture to be visible. When Warpinator fails to find other devices, among other solutions, it now provides links towards its Windows, Android and iOS counterparts. The Thingy Bulk Renamer application received UI improvements. The Web App Manager supports additional browsers and custom browser parameters. In Cinnamon 5.4, all windows are now rendered with the GTK theme, whether they have a header bar or not. Metacity themes are no longer used. The GTK anti-aliasing, which is cleaner than the Metacity one, previously only benefited CSD windows. It's now used on all windows. Rounded corners look crispier. Window animations were improved. The way they work changed under the hood. It's no longer possible to tune animations and to make your own like it was in the past, but the default set looks much cleaner than before and the global speed of animations is configurable. Printing and scanning improvements. Linux Mint 21 uses IPP, also known as driverless printing and scanning, i.e. a standard protocol which communicates with printer scanners without using drivers. For most printers and scanners, no drivers are needed, and the device is detected automatically. In software sources, the repository list, PPA list and key list support multiple selection. This allows several items to be removed at a time. Uninstalling an application from the main menu, right-click, uninstall, now triggers an evaluation of the application's dependencies. To protect the system from the removal of key components, if another package depends on the application, an error message is shown and the operation is stopped. Uninstalling an application from the main menu now also removes dependencies of that application that were automatically installed and are no longer needed. Linux Mint 21 features Cinnamon 5.4, a Linux kernel 5.15 and an Ubuntu 22.04 package base. LTS strategy. Linux Mint 21 will receive security updates until 2027. Until 2024, future versions of Linux Mint will use the same package base as Linux Mint 21, making it trivial for people to upgrade. Until 2024, the development team won't start working on a new base and will be fully focused on this one.